Acquisitions news. Scotch Creek announces extension to Highlands West property claims and drill permit. Walgreens realigns leadership team after $1.3 billion acquisition. GI Partners announces the acquisition of Premier Life Sciences properties in leading coastal markets. The Beneficient Company Group, a leading technology-enabled provider of liquidity and related services to investors in alternative assets, to go public via combination with Avalon Acquisition Inc. Wall Street hates Adobe's Figma acquisition. What if they're wrong? Store Capital's buyout will hurt shareholders. Here's what they can do next. UK Royal Navy acquires latest generation Remus 100s. Walmart investing $240 million to update Missouri stores. Bullish news. Bud Pop Melatonin Gummies, a natural sleep aid for adults and kids. CAMS Care announces 6 new partnerships to meet increased demand after 988 Suicide Lifeline launch. Seal and 17Track partner up to bring peace of mind to the package tracking industry. Next generation Unicore Communications GNSS hardware available through RX Networks. Moby Dev listed top augmented reality trends of 2023. 10 years of Macommunity. $10 million invested in content showcasing local communities. Total Economic Impact Study of Verint Digital First Engagement Solutions finds an WAR of 271% over 3 years with a payback in less than 6 months. Whirlpool Corporation to reach 100% renewable electricity for U.S. plant operations. IBM teams with 20 historically black colleges and universities to address cybersecurity talent shortage. Lecky Free Zone set to partner Glua on blockchain technology. LUM Apps campaigns enables organizations to engage employees with personalized multi-channel communications. Clearest Degree becomes signatory to United Nations-supported Principles for Responsible Investment. Capstone Green Energy receives second follow-on order for multiple microturbine systems for Marcellus wellhead sites. Skybridge Capital leads Series A funding round for leading metaverse company Vulcan Forged. Nordic American Tankers Limited, NYSE. NAT. A Nat Swex Max tanker today commenced a 1-year time charter contract. Max Site debuts new state-of-the-art headquarters in Maryland's I-270 biotech corridor. Iridium announces Operation Pacific Waves. Visible gold identified at Northern Shields Root and Cellar property, Newfoundland. Funko teams up with Warner Bros. For DC Comics NFT release. Novacure announces creation of USCNS Cancers franchise intended to renew focus on growth in glioblastoma business. Pacira Biosciences announces positive top-line data from Phase 3 study of EXPAREL as a single dose. Sciatic nerve block in the popliteal fossa for bunionectomy. Smith Plus Nephew Academy expands global access to professional medical education through virtual reality and other advanced simulation technologies. TD Securities invests in Canada's largest ever private conservation project. Announces formation of ESG Solutions Carbon Advisory Practice. GM SecTech and Visa strengthen partnership to deliver best-in-class cybersecurity capabilities in Latin American and Caribbean. Mapi Pharma announces positive top-line results from GAR-Depot Phase 3 trial for relapsing forms of multiple sclerosis. RMS. MATTAMY Homes rolls out new home sales for Cadence at Tradition. Global PD1, PDL1 inhibitor market report 2022. Increase in PD1, PDL1 inhibitor-based combination regimens. Fueling sector. Waterways delivers and installs a new water purification system for farmers in Ethiopia. UMass Amherst switches to Juniper Networks AI-driven Wi-Fi to boost student engagement and improve digital experiences on campus. Jacobs selected for green hydrogen feasibility study in South Korea. Sapiens further grows partner network to optimize insurance processes. Leading valuation platform Biz Equity partners with Bonsai LLC to provide financial professionals with enhanced tools to better serve their clients. Housing market potential increases for first time in nearly a year, according to First American Potential Home Sales Model. Intercept Pharmaceuticals announces summary of key actions in strategic financial repositioning. Pyrogenesis announces completion of in-house audit of its next-gen TM metal powder production facility. By Global Aerospace Company. Rocket Lab selects NASA Stennis Space Center for neutron engine test facility. Google for Education partners with Instructure to simplify integration and extend digital classroom capabilities. Lumen invests in its sixth on-net subsea route across the Atlantic. Tutor Perini selected as the design and construction contractor for Phase 1 south of the new American Legion Bridge I-270 traffic relief plan. General Mills stock gains after profit beat and raised outlook, as North America strength offset international weakness. Stock market today. Stocks edge higher with Fed rate decision in sharp focus. Homebuying competition eases as values decrease for the second month in Tampa Bay. Possible bearish signals as Broadcom Inc. Nasdaq. AVGO. Insiders disposed of $29 million worth of stock. Philip Morris International Inc. NYSE. PM. Insiders sold $17 million worth of stock, possibly signaling a downtrend. One General Dynamics Corporation, NYSE. Grand. Insider reduced their stake by 8.0% in the previous year. EOG Resources, Inc. NYSE. EOG. Insider increased their holdings by 46% last year. After soaring 40%, fund now fights climate change. Anavex Life Sciences announces issuance of U.S. patent covering ANAVEX2-73. Blarcamesine. For neurodevelopmental disorders therapy. EVgo's AutoCharge Plus sets new bar for streamlined EV charging experience across nationwide public network. F5 named best in class for bot management in IT Novarica matrix of leading bot detection and management providers. High natural gas prices push European manufacturers to shift to the US. Morris Flex ICIEF analysis adds fractionation, enabling mass spec peak characterization. Bausch & Lomb announces webinar for eye care professionals on new AREDS2 study findings. Piedmont Lithium continues growth, strengthening senior management team. Tyler, TYL, and Vermont extend payment service deal for 3 years. CGI. UiPath announce enhanced managed services partnership to accelerate digital transformation through automation. Jeffrey Keenan is the independent director of Mativ Holdings, Inc. NYSE. MATV. And they just picked up 17% more shares. Coty aims to double skincare sales to $500 million to $600 million by fiscal 2025. Valero. Marathon top beneficiaries of U.S. emergency oil releases. French billionaire Xavier Niel builds 2.5% Vodafone stake. Coty sets out comprehensive strategy to double skincare sales by FY25. The Geo Group completes $84 million asset sale and repays remaining $147 million in term loans due. In 2024, Matador Resources Company announces upgrade to corporate credit rating. Mercedes-Benz USA achieves digital success with Perion's innovative SORT technology. Rooftop solar digital platform taps into climate law incentives. Aries weighs joining bid for French football team Lyon. Accenture scored the highest in IT security services in North America and Europe by Everest Group. Putin mobilizes more troops, wields Ukraine nuclear threat. Air Liquide, Chevron, Keppel Infrastructure, and PetroChina form consortium to explore CCUS solutions in Singapore. Europe gas prices gain as Russia initiates military mobilization. Ideanomics achieves breakthrough milestone for 500 kW ultra-fast charging. PaySafe joins Spreedly's partnership program for international merchant payments. Verizon Business and Visionable expand connected healthcare partnership. Gold Fields sees investors backing $7 billion Yamana deal. Spirit Aerosystems, Malaysia Airlines Berhad sign Memorandum of Understanding to create MRO services for 737NG. Change Healthcare, CHNG, soars 6.4%, is further upside left in the stock. Update 2: India's HDFC Bank signs multi-year data and technology deal with Refinitiv. Hamburg Commercial Bank transfers its SEPA processing to Broadridge's BPO payments service. Focus: Nestlé adapts as hoarding picks up in Asia, North Africa. Novartis to take U.S. drug patent case to Supreme Court. Tencent Music makes quiet start in Hong Kong stock trading. Global Financial Inclusion Index from Principal develops benchmark for financial security and inclusion across global economies. argenx submits biologics license application to U.S. Food and Drug Administration for subcutaneous Evgartigimod for treatment of generalized myasthenia gravis. Burry takes fresh shot at Tesla after California battery fire. Tencent Music Entertainment Group successfully listed on Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Ball Corporation enters into an alliance with Boomerang Water to provide customers with on-site refillable bottled water solutions. Rockwell Automation secures RM150 million project from Exeat Group in Malaysia. Equinix and NUS Center for Energy Research and Technology partner to advance hydrogen technologies for data centers. Update 1: US delivers over 25 mLN COVID boosters. Moderna's shot in limited supply. Extreme strengthens APAC leadership team. Edgio completes week by setting all-time traffic record. Walmart, BP Inc. Capital Riverfront office leases. LNG developer Tellurian seeks equity partners to fund project. Morai Classical Schools selects PowerSchool solutions to facilitate blended learning. Toll Brothers announces 6 new model homes at Viewpoint and Westridge Collections at Metro Heights. Master plan in Montebello, Calif. Toll Brothers apartment living breaks ground on Whitlow. A new luxury mid-rise apartment community in Louisville, Texas. Biogen-funded collaboration with Americares and Harvard Chan Sea Change recognized by the Clinton Global Initiative. Bearish news. Chema's stock sinks towards 6-month low after guidance cut. citing lower demand in titanium business. Micron stock downgraded amid steepening price declines. Identity Theft Resource Center 2022 Consumer Impact Report reveals effects of social media account takeover. Signify Health receives NCQA's HEDIS Allowable Adjustments certification. CEVA accelerates 5G infrastructure rollout with industry's first baseband platform IP for 5G RAN. ASICS. Beyond Meat stock slides as coup suspended following weekend arrest for alleged nose-biting incident. Oil prices climb after Putin announces partial draft and as Fed decision looms. Manulife. Sun Life should accelerate emissions cuts, group says. Qualcomm-backed drone maker weighs $125 million. India IPO, sources say. Asia FX plumbs multi-year lows ahead of Fed rate decision. Boeing to slash nearly 150 finance jobs in U.S. FDA baby formula oversight is criticized in internal review. Hertz customers allege false arrest problem continues after bankruptcy. United Airlines grounds 25 planes after missed inspections. Tech reports Elkview plant outage. Nvidia betting price hike won't deter core gamers holding out for its next general chip. Wall Street banks set to lose about $600 million on Citrix debt. Boeing to cut about 150 finance jobs in the U.S. Financing news. KeyBank overhauls consumer lending with Oracle. Ferguson plc announces transaction in own shares. Intercontinental Hotels Group plc announces transaction in own shares, September 21. Judge rules Charter must pay $1.15 billion in damages to murder victim's family. Earnings news. U.S. stock futures post moderate gains ahead of Fed decision and after Putin escalates war footing. ICERI to announce fourth quarter and fiscal year-end 2022 financial results on September 28, 2022. Union Pacific. NYSE. UNP. Sheds 5.8% this week. As yearly returns fall more in line with earnings growth. Parker's fiscal year 2022 sustainability report highlights the impact of clean technologies, environmental actions and community support. Landec Corporation sets first quarter 2023 earnings conference call for October 5, 2022 at 2 p.m. Pacific Time. Stitch Fix's model does not fit, analyst says. Earnings are proof. Protein Supplements Global Market Report 2022. Anokan Pharma provides an operational update. First Advantage releases 2022 LATAM Annual Trends Report. General Mills reports fiscal 2023 first quarter results and raises full-year outlook. Resolute to hold a special meeting of stockholders on October 31, 2022. Accenture to host conference call tomorrow, Sept. 22, to discuss fourth quarter and fiscal year 2022 results. Stepan to announce third quarter 2022 results on October 19, 2022. RLX Technology announces unaudited second quarter 2022 financial results. European stock futures lower. Fed meeting firmly in focus. Yum China to report third quarter 2022 financial results. Aurora Cannabis Inc. ACB reports Q4 loss, tops revenue estimates. Links to articles are below. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.